There are some settlers, there are some soldiers, and here is a person who is both a settler and a soldier. And we're standing right at the entrance into the village of Ras Al Ain. For the past 2 hours, two settlers were sitting here writing down the license plate numbers of every Palestinian car that was going in and out. We were sitting here to monitor them. At some point, a Palestinian car stopped and the settler came up to it to film the people inside. So we stood between the Palestinian and the car. The settlers considered that harassment, so they called the army. First person on the scene was a settler cop who is friends with the first two. Now the army came here and they're chatting with the illegal settlers who live in a settlement which is illegal even by Israeli laws and regularly come to attack the Palestinians here.
לא מכיר את המקום פה הלא חוקי שיושב על אדמה פלסטינית פרטית?
לא נכנס לדברים האלה.
לא יכול ללכת לבד משפט.
אתה לא תגרור אותי לנושא הזה, זה לא העניין שלי, לא מגיע לשם. זה שלי, זה שלא אדמה של פלסטין, של כל ישראל ש... כאן ועכשיו, הנה, אתה פה, הם שם, זה כאן ועכשיו. זהו.
ומחר
אתה תהיה שם, הם יהיו פה.
ואתה תהיה פה מן הסתם.
כן, נו, בסדר.
יאללה.